As a truck driver, I learned essential lessons that continue to impact my career, even as a multi-millionaire businessman. Back in my truck driving days, planning my trip was like creating a roadmap for success. I would sit down, plan out all my stops, where I was going to fuel, where I was going to stop for lunch, and even where I was going to stop to take a shower. But here's the kicker. Whenever I skipped the planning, reaching my destination on time always turned into a struggle. Lesson learned. A good roadmap is the secret weapon for success. So here's the deal. Whether you're on the highway or on your career path, having a good roadmap is key. It keeps you on course, making sure you're going to hit your goals without any detours or distractions.